palm oil factory, and so we designed the 1 to 5 ton per hour palm oil press machine. But that machine also produced based on the large scale machine technology. And you can say this is the crude oil got from the palm oil press machine. Yeah, and this is made of cotton steel, but this set is made from the thin steelers material. Yeah, because that some customers also want the high standard quality or oil press machine to make that can use for longer time. If they need the way to manufacture this machine use thin steelers, we can also supply them. And besides the 1 ton per hour, we also have the larger one. That's like the 50 ton per hour palm oil press machine. This one. And the 10 tons per hour palm oil press machine, they are double screw palm oil press machine. And this two machine usually used for the complete pressing plant. That will be more effective. Yeah.
Okay, and for next, we also, besides the palm oil processing machine and the palm kernel oil processing machine, we also have the oil processing machine for the different seeds. For this machine, it can press the different vegetable oil seeds. Like you can have a look. This is the raspberry. Yeah, and here also have the cotton seeds and